Hi, this is William Miller with the Can Do Coaching Network, and I'm going to show you another video on how to use your freelance software to help you run your agency. Now, a key part of it is, of course, the backlog. And the backlog is all the work which you've received from your clients, which you have yet to do. And so I'm going to walk you through this screen right now. First of all, as we see across the top, we have the navigation bar, and we're currently on the backlog because it's highlighted in blue. We also have the actual clock in the upper right corner, which shows you the status of which task you punched into and how much time you've accumulated for the day. Show you that in a second. Secondary, we have the selection process for finding the task you're looking for. There's a search bar in the upper left. You can omit certain clients or projects that are inactive. And then we have the task status here. Now, using this, you can simply choose a radio button and find just your tasks which have not been started. Or you can choose the working tasks, which are currently in progress, or simply select any, or any of the other selections. And then you can also click on the Show All button to bring them all back if you need to. Totals up your total tasks. And then the primary section, of course, here is the list of all the tasks which you have done. We have them listed by client, project, task number, description, the status, the due date, estimated hours, and actual hours. And then who is actually assigned to this particular project. And then this is an arrow button to jump to that task to that client if you need to. And then at the very bottom left corner is the new task option to choose and create a new task. So you simply choose that, you select a task, choose it, type in the name of your new task, and click task, and it will punch in and start up for you. And as you note now in the upper right hand corner, we have the clock is indicating that you're punched in. You're on the AAA freelance test is the client project, and then you're on the test proposal, which is actually right here, the actual project. And then the task is new task. So you can click inside this at any point. You can select a different task, simply start the timer. It will automatically stop the timer on the previous one and start on the other one. If you need to enter in total time adjustment, you can do that as well. And of course, you can enter in a description of what work you accomplished. And so these are all the elements of the backlog. And the backlog is your friend. This is the part of the application that will earn you the most money. You'll be able to clock your hours, track them all accurately, and as you'll see later on, we'll be able to develop them into invoices. But this is where you have your work prepared, and this is where you do it to become a successful agency.